Make a great choice today with the 2025 Gladiator. The Jeep Gladiator is just the off-road truck that Jeep fans have been waiting on. Enjoy the functionality of a truck while retaining the off-road capability. You'll fall in love with this Jeep Gladiator. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, front license plate bracket, steel wheels, convertible soft top, driver illuminated vanity mirror. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.